Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can increase your music and painting skills on Bloxburg. So for music, you're going to either play a guitar, the piano, or drums. So just select the instrument you want to play, press E and select the song you want to play. And it's going to increase your musical skills. Just go to skills here and you'll see that it starts to kind of go up slowly. It's very slow though. Like, see, as you can see, it increased to 21% to 22. It does take a long time to level up your music skills. And you'll be able to play like new songs once you have reached a certain skill. For painting, go to an easel. You need to find it first in the build mode section. Select interact and select paint. And again, it's going to increase the painting skill. This also increases your fun mood. So I recommend you doing this when you want to. It does take a little bit longer than like watching television, stuff like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.